What's happening, Tech Timers? This is Andre of Andre's Tech Time and Product Reviews, where I review cool tech and everyday products that will make your lives just a little bit easier. And today I am coming to you live with no jive as I review a cool product that's definitely going to brighten up your day. It's the Belifu Moodlight Light Therapy Energy Lamp. Can you dig it? Okay, Tech Timers, so before I get down to the nitty gritty, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell all below. And please share if you care. Now, I've had this Belifu Moodlight Light Therapy Energy Lamp now for a few days. And the reason why I got it was because I was actually looking for a lamp, some sort of lamp to bring a little more light into my videos. And I saw this. And not only is it supposed to be a mood light to help increase your energy, etc., 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 but it's supposed to be very bright and it's supposed to bring in, or should I say, put out like natural type sunlight. So we're going to take a look and see what this can do. This is the box. Auto off timing, 10,000 lux max, stepless dimming light, alleviate the winter blues, improve the mood. And there's some more information on the box. I'm not going to go over everything because we're going to take a look at it, of course, when we take a look at the specs. So that's that. Now, as I said, I did have this for a few days. And as soon as I got it, I actually cut open the box. And I had to jump back and check myself because it's like, hey, wait a minute. My viewers need to see this, the Tech Time tool. Yowza! There you go. Everything is back in balance. The universe is saved. So let's get everything out of the box. There you go. Let's start here. Let's put the box off to the side. There it is. We've got, seems to be one of the warranty cards. So subscribe to get a discount. You always get something like this with Belifu. Free gift. More warranty information. Hopefully y'all can see that. Instruction manual. Let's make this, let's see. There you go. Zoom in just a little bit. Okay, so we'll go through that. And of course, the unit itself. Let me change the lighting on this. Hopefully that's a little bit better. Let's take it out. Remove it. That's the unit. This is going to be the power cable. Activate your 24-month warranty. You always have that with Belifu, with their products, and you'll get free stuff. I buy their products because I really do like that they respond. Their customer service is really good. So what I'm going to do is, let's take a quick look at this. You've got your little stand here, so you can stand it up and adjust it any way you want to. And I guess you can do it that way, etc., etc., etc. And let's see. Nothing fancy about that. This is going to be, let's see. It looks like 1.5 amps, 12 volts, etc. And this is everything that came inside the box. So y'all know what's next. The specs. Okay, so here are the specs. The dimensions are 11 by 6.5 by 0.75 inches. It weighs 1.55 pounds. It's made out of ABS, that's the body and the stand, LED light panel. The power input is 12 volt DC, 1.5 amp. Temperature control, cool white, warm white, and natural bright. Brightness control, let's see, low, medium, and high. The timer can be set between 10 minutes and 60 minutes in increments of 10 minutes with auto shut off. The illumination is 10,000 LUX. That is bright. Standout feature for me is going to be that it's UV free. Now let's take a look, get it set up, and see how to operate it. Okay, TechTimers, so now that I've got it plugged up, let's just take a quick look at how to operate this. So you can see I've got it plugged up. There's your stand for how, so you can adjust it for however you want to on your desk. You could also hang it on the wall. Okay, and this is power. Let's give that a quick little tap right there. And right now it's on its lowest setting. If I continue to tap the power button, it's going to increase the temperature, as you can see. And that should be the brightest temperature, and then off. So let's turn it back on. Right now it's on the lowest temperature. This is the brightness. As you can see, it gets pretty bright. And let's bring this back down so y'all can see it. This is your timer. We've got 10 minutes. Let's zoom in. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And you just go ahead and tap. If you want to go 60, you just go ahead and tap right there, and it goes all the way across. So that's how you operate it. Now that we know how to operate it, let's see this in action. Okay, TechTimers, so let me go ahead and set this up for you. So I'm sitting behind my desk in my home office, and the camera is about 3 feet away. I have a ceiling fan with 3 of these tiny light bulbs in it. And this is the kind of lighting that I get in this office thanks to those, I don't know what these are, 40-watt bulbs. I have 2 windows over here. And right now it is 9:03, 21:03. And even during the daytime, I don't get a tremendous amount of light because of the way the windows are facing. So that's why when I first started making videos, I went out and got this Belifu ring light, and I'm going to turn that on, and that's at maximum brightness. So still a little bit dark. It's a 10-inch ring, and I'm going to go ahead and leave a link just up above if you'd like to see that review. And now we're going to check this out. I'm going to turn on the mood light at maximum setting, and I'm going to do that right about now. So now I've got the Belifu Moodlight turned on at maximum, and you can see the increased brightness. And actually, it shouldn't be as grainy. That light is probably about, I don't know, maybe about 5 to 5.5 feet away from me. You don't want to look directly at it because it's really, really, really bright. So this is how it's going to look if I turn off if I turn off the ring light. Still pretty bright. And I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. Do that. As you can see, not bad. Very, very, very bright still with the overhead lights turned off. As a matter of fact, I just want to say this kind of reminds me of a song from way back in the day. I'm doing all right. I'm getting good grades. My future's so bright. I gotta wear shades. Okay, TechTimers. So these are some pictures I have hanging on the wall in my home office. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the mood light, and I'm going to be moving it around because I have it facing away from me. And so when I press buttons, when I move in between buttons, I need to make sure that I'm on the button. So I'm going to press the power, and that looks like it's amongst the lowest, I believe. So let's change the temperature. Let me just make sure I'm pressing the button. So let me tilt it away from me, towards me, I should say. And as you can see, so it's off. Back on. and this is increasing the temperature. Let me just make sure I'm on the brightness button now, and that's the darkest. That is the absolute brightest. As you can see, there are no other lights on except for the flashlight on my phone, and that's just so I want to make sure, you know, I'm pointing the right way. But as you can see, this can light up an entire room, and it does. I don't know if the recording does it justice, because it really does look like portable sunlight to me. You know, I mean, you can take this down to kind of like a dark day, or you could turn it into, you know, like some very bright sunlight, so to speak. So that is how this works. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Okay, Tech Timers, so what did we learn today? We learned that the Belifu Moodlight Light Therapy Energy Lamp does exactly what it's supposed to do, and that is to bring some mood enhancing light into your life. Now, I like the fact that it's adjustable. It's got a timer, very sturdy plastic. I can go ahead and position it anywhere I want to on my desk, or I can hang it on the wall. Actually, I will probably hang it on a tripod for shots when I'm working on my videos. I think I actually prefer the light that this gives out over my overhead lights that's on the ceiling fan. So y'all know what time it is. It's time for the Andres Tech Time and Product Reviews rating system. If I like a product, I'm going to give it a right on. If I don't like the product, it's going to be a write off. If I really like the product, it's going to be a groovy, man. If I really don't like it, it's going to be a jive turkey. Well, this should come as no surprise to any of you, because I really like the way that this light works. It's amazing. Like I said, I don't think that this video will do justice. It really does light up a room. So maybe if I'm in here watching some videos, I'll turn off the overhead lights and put on this. But of course, I think y'all know that this is going to get a groovy, man. And that concludes my review of the Belifu Moodlight Light Therapy Energy Lamp. Now keep in mind, as with all of my videos, all of the opinions expressed are my own. I don't get paid to do this, and I purchase all of the products with all of my own money. I just want to thank y'all for hanging out here with me on Andres Tech Time and Product Reviews. Enough said. Keep on trucking, and I will catch you on the flip side of my next video. Now, can you dig that?